So you want to buy a house? Don't go making this fatal mistake. Hey everyone, Tim Holm, Watsonrealtycorp, your home team. This is buying and selling a home is easy, right? Not really. You want to buy a house, and the best thing for you to do is go out and get pre-qualified. Talk to a lender. It doesn't matter what lender. Most realtors don't care what lender you're going to go through. You're able to use your own bank if you want to. Just remember, sometimes the bank also has motorcycle, car, other loans that they're doing at the same time. So sometimes it's not as good to go through them. But hey, it's your choice. I don't care what lender the people go through, just as long as they end up getting qualified. The whole thing is right now, with the way the market is right now, you've got to get pre-qualified before you go and start looking at houses. The reason why I say that is I have had plenty of multiple offers, and going into it, I always ask, do you have a pre-qualified or are you pre-approved? Now there's two different parts, okay? If you're pre-qualified, means that you're eligible to buy a house. Pre-approved means that you're already approved for the house. We just have to find the right house. So you've already gone through all the extra steps, you've already turned on your bank statements, you've already done the application and everything else. But pre-qualified at least means that your credit is eligible and you make enough money in order for you to actually purchase that house. So one way or the other, get one of those two going on. Talk to your lender, talk to your mortgage person, talk to your realtor. Most of the time the realtors have a group of people that they've worked with before and they really enjoy working with, so they might have a couple of suggestions for you. So just ask them. They might have somebody. If not, find a lender. Get a lender going, get your application in, do all the other stuff, get pre-qualified before you get out there in this crazy world of mortgage nightmare, real estate nightmare actually, and make sure that you are pre-qualified. Make sure that you are able to buy the house. Nobody wants to go and try and buy a house if all of a sudden you find out you can't buy it. And the worst thing in the world is being in this multiple offer situation and you're one that is not ever going to get that house because you're not even qualified for the house. So the best thing I can say is go get pre-qualified, go get pre-approved, okay? One of the two, before you even call the realtor, before you even try and work on anything else, and before you start looking at houses, because the house you may be looking at may be out of your budget anyways. And if you're looking at a $500,000 house and you can only afford a $200,000 house, you might be disappointed when you find out you can't get that $500,000 house. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe. Hit that little bell notification to be notified on the next videos that we got coming out. I'm always posting them once a week at least. Try to do more than that if I can, depends on my schedule. But at least you're going to get one video a week, and hopefully this video is helpful for you. But make sure that you are getting pre-approved or pre-qualified before you actually do anything else. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.